I'm spending $127 per month on AWS, and I have no idea why. My EC2 costs $89, but I only use it a few hours per day. So I built an AI tool that analyzed my bill and found $75 worth of waste. Watch what it found. AWS bills are confusing. You see charges for services you don't remember creating. $89 for EC2, but why? $32 for RDS. Is that normal? $5 for S3. Where's that data stored? By the time you investigate, you've already wasted money for weeks. And even if you know something's expensive, you don't know how to fix it. The AWS documentation has thousands of pages, but you need answers now. So I built an AI-powered AWS Cost Detective. It connects to your AWS account, pulls billing data, counts your resources, and uses local AI to analyze where you're wasting money and exactly how to fix it. Completely free, uses AWS Free Tier plus Ollama. The script uses Bodo 3 to fetch billing data from AWS Cost Explorer. That's a free API. Then it counts your resources. Finally, it sends everything to Llama running locally on my laptop, and the AI analyzes spending patterns and suggests specific ways to save money. No OpenAI API, no additional costs. Let me show you. Here's a demonstration account spending $127 per month. I can see EC2 is expensive at $89, but I don't know why or what to do about it. The AWS CLI is already configured. Now, let me run the Cost Detective. The tool checks credentials, and that Ollama is running. Now, it's fetching billing data from Cost Explorer and counting all resources. Look, 2 EC2 instances, 3 EBS volumes, 5 S3 buckets, 1 database, and 7 Lambda functions. EC2 is 70% of the bill at $89. RDS is 25% at $32. Now watch what the AI discovers. This is incredible. The AI identified exactly where money is being wasted. EC2 instances running 24/7, but only needed 8 hours a day. That's $60 wasted every month. The database is oversized, another $17 wasted. And there's old S3 data that should be archived for $4 per month savings. The AI doesn't just tell you what's wrong. It tells you exactly how to fix it with specific AWS services and commands. Total potential savings, $75 to $80 per month. That's 60% of the bill just from implementing these 3 changes. That's $900 per year. The AI recommended stopping EC2 instances when not in use. You can create a Lambda function triggered by Event Bridge at 6 p.m. to stop instances, and another at 8 a.m. to start them. This is a 5-minute setup and saves $60 per month immediately. The tool can also save reports to JSON for tracking over time. Now you have a record. Run this monthly to track whether optimizations work and catch new cost leaks early. So what do we build? An AI tool that analyzes your AWS bill, identifies waste, and gives specific recommendations. It found $75 per month in savings. That's $900 per year just from running a Python script. Everything uses AWS Free Tier and runs locally with Llama. No additional costs. This is Project 3 in my AI DevOps series. Code is on GitHub with complete setup instructions. Link in description. The README includes AWS account setup, IAM user creation, and credential configuration. If you're already on AWS, you can run this in 5 minutes. Next week, Project 4, an AI that automatically fixes broken GitHub Actions workflows. Subscribe, and if you run this on your account, Comment how much you could save. I'm curious.